Hello students, this is the new book for physics 12th standard in 2020-21. We are going to learn this physics syllabus. In this syllabus, the first topic is rotational dynamics. In this topic, we will see about motion of particles. See here, what is mean by motion? If the position of particle changes, then we can say that the particle is in motion. Okay. If the particle is moving along straight line, then we can say that the particle performs linear motion. Okay? And if the particle moving along the circumference of a circle, then we can see that the particle performs circular motion. And if suppose a body or a particle, a rigid body, rotates about a central axis passing through it, okay, then we can say that the body performs rotational motion. And if a rotating body means a body rotates about its central axis, and while performing this motion it changes its position, okay, then such motion is called as rolling motion. Okay, thus there are different types of motions, but in this first topic we will see about circular motion and rotational motion of particles. Then what is mean by circular motion? Suppose a particle P performs a motion along a circumference of a circle, then such motion is called as circular motion. In daily life, where we see such motions, or what are the different examples for such motions? First, the motion of the earth around the sun, or the motion of planets around the sun. Second one is the motion of a particle or object tied at one end and whirled in circle, means a rope, and at its one end a stone is tied and the other end is held in our hand and it will whirl in circle. Then the motion of this stone or object is said to be circular motion, or the motion of minute hand, hour hand, or second hand of a clock are the examples of circular motion. Okay, then what are the characteristics of, then second one is characteristics of circular motion. First characteristic is the circular motion is an accelerated motion. What is meant by accelerated? First we concentrate on this word acceleration. Acceleration means velocity divided by time, means velocity changes with time. Okay, if a particle performs a motion, then velocity changes with time, then that motion is said to be as accelerated motion. In circular motion, how the velocity changes? Here we see. Suppose the particle is at this position, this gives direction of linear velocity. Suppose the particle is at this position, this gives the direction of linear velocity. Suppose the particle is at this position, this gives direction of linear velocity. Suppose the particle is at this position, then this gives the direction of linear velocity. See here, the direction of linear velocity changes at every instant. So we can say that circular motion is an accelerated motion. Okay, second characteristic is the circular motion is periodic motion. How circular motion is periodic? See here. Suppose the particle is at point A, starts moving along this circumference and reaches to this point A after certain time interval, and again it starts to moving along the same path and reaches to point A after same time interval. Okay, means it covers equal distance after equal time interval. So this motion or the motion of particle is said to be periodic motion. In this way, circular motion is periodic in nature, or circular motion is periodic motion. Okay.